Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last week in one of my classes, a student of mine was talking about a huge cosplay festival that happened in Kyiv the other weekend. Basically, if you don't know about it, cosplay is short for costume play, where people dress up in costumes of anime characters or superheroes or TV stars or just characters of their own imagination and act out being these kinds of characters. My student was saying that when she was younger, she loved Xena Princess Warrior, but she never went around dressing up as this character. Whereas now the costumes are incredible. People put an incredible amount of care and attention into the way they look. They act these things out. There are online communities based around all of these things. And as she said, nowadays the whole cosplay thing is next level. If you say something is next level, it can mean it's better or more advanced or more sophisticated than it used to be. But it can also mean just it's extreme. So, if you're a climate scientist, you're probably used to encountering all kinds of weird climate denial from people. But the stuff that Trump was coming out with last week during his UN speech, where he rambled on about the evils of wind farm and solar power, was next level. It was next level madness. You also sometimes use next level before nouns. So you might say, this is some next level bullshit. That was next level madness. And maybe, if you've got a big problem at work, you might tell everybody, listen, we're in a bit of a hole here. We're going to need some next level creative thinking to get out of this mess. And maybe if you've got teenage kids going off to their first big music festival, they might be excitedly telling their friends that the festival is going to be next level. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use next level.